Hello friends, welcome in aptitude class. My name is Manin Joshi. Today I will learn ratio and proportion. This is common for all industries like IAS, IES, GATE, CDS, GRE, IIT, JEE and all UPSC. Do not miss the class if you want success in your life. Thanks. Listen.
Hi friends, so this is the lecture number 5. So in this lecture we will again give you the shortcut trick that will be helpful to crack your entrance exam, or this is also very important for other class student. Okay, a mixer contains milk and water in the ratio of A ratio B. You have one mixer and it is A ratio B. If X liter water added, now here you are adding X liter. This time we know how much water we are adding. Added to the mixer, milk and water become in a ratio, then this ratio is A ratio C. Okay. Then the quantity of milk in the mixer is given that. So your if you are adding X liter water in this ratio, then your new mixer is this, then the quantity of the milk in new mixer is AX upon C minus B and water is BX upon C minus B. This is your shortcut trick. This question it will explain what we want to teach you. Your question is, a mixer contain milk and water in the ratio of 3:2. You have one container and there is a mixture of milk and water is 3:2. If 4 liter water added, you have added 4 liter water. Okay, you have added 4 liter water in this mixer. Then your ratio 3:2 and your ratio is become equal, means 1:1, either 3:3. Okay, maybe anything. Equal means if you are taking here 1, then it will be 1, if 3, and then this is 3. So this is 3, so we are taking 3. Okay. So now he is asking, find the quantities of milk and water. What is in the new ratio, what is the strength of milk and what is the strength of water? So already we have given you the shortcut trick. The water is equal to AX upon C minus B. Your A ratio B, this is 3:2, and C ratio D, this is 3:3. So your A is 3, okay, and your X, what is X? How much water you will add? 4 liter. Okay, this is your X this time. C minus B means 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 4 3 is 12. So 12 liter. The strength of this AX upon C, water, this is milk. The strength of milk is 12 liter, and similarly you can find the strength of water. Okay, so what is B? B is 2 into 4 upon C minus B. C minus B is 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 4 2 is 8. So in the new mixer you have 8 liter water and 12 liter milk. Now the next question that will clear. A mixer contain milk and water. You have one container, and in this container you have mixture of milk and water. That ratio is 8:3. Okay, and you are adding 3 liter water. You are adding 3 liter water. The ratio, it is now 2:1. Now he is asking what is the strength of milk and water, or what is the quantity of milk and water. Already we have explained this is A ratio B means 8:3, and C ratio D means you have 2:1. Now your strength of milk is AX upon C minus B. What is A? A is 8. And what is X? X is whatever you are adding. Here you are adding 3 liter. So this is 3 upon C minus B. C minus B means 2 minus 3. C minus B means 2 minus 3. But this is negative. This is the question. C minus B is you have 8:3, then 2:1. Okay, why this is negative? Now this is the question. Okay, 3, it must be 3 minus 2, but here it is okay, we will check it. If we want to solve such type of question, okay, the initial ratio is 3:2. The initial ratio, that is 3:2, 8:3, sorry, 8:3, and after then your new ratio, that is 2:1. So we can change the ratio in the form of A:B and A:C. A:B and A:C. Okay, in the question you can see that what is the logic in this question. You have A:B and A:C. This A and this A both are same. A:B, A:C. So here also in this question you can see we have taken 3:2 and 3:3. Why we have taken 3:3? Because this A and this A both are same. We have A:B, A::C. But in this question we have 8:3, but this is not 8. So we will be, this is actually 2/1. So we can also change to this 2/1 to just like this. Okay, so if this is, because this A and this A both are same, so 4 to the 8, you can multiply 4 numerator and denominator, 1 into 4. If you will cut, then again you will get the same value. So you can write this 2:1 is 8:4. Both are same. Okay, so this ratio is 8:4. Okay, so now AX upon C minus B. Your C minus B, 8 minus 3. This is 8 minus 3. Eight ratio 3 and 8:4. Okay, so 8 into 3 and 8 minus 3. Okay, we will check. This is 8 minus 3. This is C minus B, C minus B, C minus B, C minus B. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 24/5. Something is also wrong again. Actually, your A::B and A::C. Okay, and this is C minus B. Okay, we have done something wrong again. This is A::B. This is A. Okay, sorry, A::C. Okay, so we are getting wrong. Here is also A::B and this is A::C. Okay, you must correct it. So this is 8:3, 8:4. So AX, A is 8 and X is 3, and C minus B means C minus B, 4 minus 3. This is 4 minus 3. You must note this question A::B and A::C. So A and A both are same. Okay, so now if your A is not same, then we have also solved another question. Then you can also multiply by any value, then after then it will be also same. Okay, so this question only when your A and A both are same. Okay, whenever you are you are adding something and after then your new ratio, in the new ratio your beginning value, okay, this A, it must be same. So your solution is only for such type of condition. So your milk is this. Now your water is equal to Bx upon C minus B. So what is B? Your B is 3, and your water, that is 3 upon C minus B, means this minus this, 4 minus 3. So your value 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, 8 3 24, and 3 3 is 9. Okay, so your strength of milk is 24 and strength of water is 9 liter. I think that you understand. Okay, thank you so much.